Ultracomp composite bearings are one of our tier 1 product lines for TriStar. It's a polyester composite material. It's typically for high load, low speed projects. The main base for the Ultracomp composite product line is a polyester fabric liner. They're typically found in the railway industry. We've used them in the aerospace industry, marine, and even the agricultural industry. There's a wide list of chemicals that the Ultracomp material works well with. Everything from aluminum chloride to sodium sulfates. Each of the different Ultracomp product lines have different additives or fillers. Our UC200 is a graphite filled material. Our UC300 is a Teflon filled material. Our UC400 is a moly filled, molybdenum disulfide filled material. And each of these products contributes differently to the application. Like many of our other polymer materials, our Ultracomp material is a self-lubricating material. It's fairly flexible in design. It comes in sheet, it comes in tube, and we also produce custom shapes. The main benefit of Ultracomp is there's no boundary layers. It is a through and through polyester composite. It's able to provide a visible wear line, giving you the peace of mind that it's not going to fail catastrophically.